Do you ever wonder if there are better alternatives to bandwidth? We get this question a lot, so we're going to compare some key components between bandwidth and Voximplant. I'm Artem, a software engineer, and I'll walk you through this. In this video, we'll compare architecture design, AI integrations, and contact center capabilities offered by bandwidth and Voximplant. Let's start! We'll start with the architecture design. Bandwidth wasn't designed to be truly serverless. You always need to control call flow with the scripts running outside the platform on your servers. As a result, you have to spend time and money to maintain extra servers, and it's harder to deploy new code. In contrast, Voximplant has a fully serverless architecture. Of course, sometimes your application needs some data from external services. The difference is, it's just the data, not the call control scripts. The upside of Voximplant's serverless architecture is that servers becomes unnecessary. This means you don't spend extra. Call control happens via the JavaScript execution on the same servers that process the media flow. You can implement failover logic and granular call control right from your code. Moving on to AI capabilities. If you have built smart AVRs with bandwidth, you probably know it recognizes only keypad inputs. They work well in a simple phone menus, but are outdated and time-consuming for navigating larger trees. Callers may need to press 1 multiple times while navigating to their final endpoint. Instead, Voximplant offers you natural language understanding that recognizes the whole sentences. You can quickly route callers to a proper destination and skip the traditional phone menu. This reduces frustration and allows agents to deliver better service. Finally, let's discuss contact center capabilities. Bandwidth doesn't offer a contact center solution. You would need to code to build one. If you ever want to make a change, you have to wait for the development team to build and deliver a new solution. Voximplant allows you to get to the market faster without developers at all. We offer Voximplant Kit, the best no-code, drag-and-drop contact center solution. Non-technical support directors and business managers can deploy a contact center, equip their agents with ready-to-go tools, and start responding to customers in minutes. You can find the link in the description to test Voximplant Kit functionality for free. That's all for this comparison. If you found this video useful, feel free to check out our documentation, contact us with any questions using the link in the description, or sign up to try it out yourself.